Growing up, there's this idea that more pressure is better when it comes to your pressure washer. Actually, it couldn't be further from the truth when it comes to washing your car. When it comes to washing your car, and if you talk to any industry expert in terms of the car detailing industry or any of the big car manufacturers, they would say to you no more than 2,000 PSI on your car, especially with the expansion of ceramic coatings, vinyl wrapping, all the rust proofing that's getting put on a car. You invested thousands of dollars onto your vehicle, and then you're going to go and get your 2,500 PSI gurney or Karcher or pressure washer that you bought at your local hardware, and you can hit that on your car, it's going to rip it all off. So when we actually designed this unit, the Blast R18 pressure washer, we actually specifically sought their advice. Those are the car industry experts. They told us no more than 2,000 PSI. So this has been dialed in at 1950 maximum PSI, so that no matter who you are, it's plug and play. Get it out, whatever you're cleaning, whether it's your car, your boat, or your motorbike around your house, you know safely that you can use this across everything that you own.